then unnamed river, which was abundant with fish and other marine life. Through dreams, he was guided by the spirit called Mu'ulin Ulin as to the task that had to be done. The spirit also revealed to him the name of the river, Kanghungayaman, and was later named by Apo Pagod as Umayam, which means a place of plenty. There, he met his wife Maanle and grew their family. Years later, a Dato, who is a descendant of Dato Pagod, together with his community, came in search for a new place to settle. Guided by his abyan, a spirit companion, they arrived at a place along the Umayam River. There, they performed the Pananawahi, a ritual asking Mo'olin-olin and the good spirits for blessings and protection. However, sometime later, a child playing at the river disappeared. The Dato and the community frantically searched, but the child was nowhere to be found. Desperate, the Dato decided to seek help from Maulin-ulin by praying at the river and chanted a limbay, imploring for help. It was then that the Dato saw the Bulalakaw, the Talawahi, a spirit that guards the river, in the form of a white snakehead fish or puti nga haluan, who implied that the child is on a nearby rock. Indeed, the child was found half conscious and slightly dazed. The Dato performed the Pandisig, a ritual to drive away the bad spirit believed to have caused the child's condition. Afterwards, the Dato performed the Haklaran to honor the Maulin-ulin and seek protection from calamities and illnesses. While dancing during the ritual, the men wore skirts to deceive the malevolent spirit to believing that the dancers are weak beings. The community celebrated the renewed safety and prosperity with the dances like the Binailan and Binano, marking a new milestone for the Umayamnuns. The Umayam River and the rituals became central to their identity, symbolizing their uniqueness as a tribe in harmony with their spiritual beliefs. Mga solid, Pimpian Tao, contingent number 2 from the municipality of Cabanatuan!
Okay na nga, basta maglingkod na nasa tuwa.
But cute, ilang ako. Surprise lang.
Yung usawa sa picture oy. Picture naman ang kita ni.
Tada na ni sulod sa PC. Panggaay rago na mga dancer. Alam, mayaman ilang contingent kay nag-hair extension. Hair extension pa ng laki. Afford. Puro tubig na hair extension. Wala sila headdress. Panay rin mga beads lang. Paano siya gipakakay? Nanggawas ang mga machete oh.
Also, mga monitor contingent from the municipality of Cabanglasan, representing the Umayamnon tribe.
Dahil mo try pa, dahil pa dapat. Gamay na.
Impiyan ta mga performers. Kabanwata, Cabanglasan. Ito mga dwellers sa Umayam River. Kung nakita na ito karon, no? Ang dimension sa storyline, ang puti na haluan.
Madami mong tripod, pag-update gamay.
Motong bulalakaw to Tanawahe.